Question. The hire purchase system is regulated by Hire Purchase Act. Options A 1969, option B 1970, option C 1971, option D 1972. Answer option D 1972. The pioneer in the field of leasing company was the establishment of the first leasing company of India Limited in option A Calcutta, option B Bombay, option C Madras, option D Delhi. Answer option C Madras. Translating messages into words. Options encoding, feedback, communication, decoding. Answer option D decoding. When shares are forfeited, the share capital account is debited by options A paid up amount, option B called up amount, option C calls in arrear, option D nominal value of shares. Answer option B called up amount. Next question. CII stands for option A cost inflation index, option B capital inflation index, option C cost interest index, option D capital interest index. Answer option A cost inflation index. Question. The concept of marketing mix was developed by options A Philip Kotler, option B W.J. Stanton, option C Clark and Clark, option D N.H. Borden. Answer option D N.H. Borden. Section 89(1) of Income Tax Act deals with relief for options A advance salary, option B compensation, option C arrear salary, option D gratuity. Answer option C arrear salary. Question. An agreement to do an impossible act is option A voidable, option B void, option C valid, option D illegal. Answer option B void. The registration of a trademark shall be for a period of option A 5 years, option B 20 years, option C 40 years, option D 10 years. Answer option D 10 years. Question. Father of Management Process School. Options Henry Fayol, option B Elton Mayo, option C H.A. Simon, option D R.H. Johnson. Answer option A Henry Fayol.